Hi everyone, I'm Priya and welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wondered how to appear offline in your Grindr or how to not be seen, this is the video for you because in this tutorial you're going to learn how to appear offline in your Grindr. Now you have to remember that Grindr application is always going to show you online by default. So you will have to turn it off in order to be offline in your Grindr. And also after 2 hours of no activity, the green dot will be replaced by an orange clock icon. And also the activity dot remains green for only 10 minutes and after 10 minutes of no activity, it is not going to show you online. So you don't have to worry about being seen online if you have not been using this application for more than 10 minutes. But if you do want to appear offline while using the application, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you'll have to open your Grindr app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon top left corner. And now you can see that your online mode is turned on by default from Grindr application. So in order to not be seen or to appear offline in your Grindr, you will have to tap on incognito mode. And now you will have to upgrade it. There are some informations about the payments. So if you do want to upgrade it, you will have to tap on upgrade now. And now you will have to give your payment information. Now enter all the payment information and then tap continue in order to upgrade your incognito mode, which will now make you appear offline in your Grindr account while you're using it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.